back at home and cutting the lawn. Grass here, I did it 10 days ago and it needs doing again, so that's today's job. Around here all the hay has been taken, so that's nicely cut, but it's already started to grow, so I'll keep halfway clear. As you can see, it's all green. Not many sunflowers here this year, which is a slight shame. We do like the lovely colours of the sunflowers, but there are other areas around here with plenty of sunflowers, which we'll see later. These are some of the plums. Last year we had almost nothing, and this year there are loads of these trees in the hedges. Don't know what type they are, but they are covered. It's very nearly 28 degrees now, which I've discovered is the temperature when I can just slip in the water without making too much fuss. And you probably can't see from this angle, but the pool is almost back to being clear. And this morning we counted over 20 flowers out. So that thunderstorm of 5 or 6 weeks ago, the damage caused by it is mostly taken care of. Unfortunately, there are still very few flowers. I'm trying to swim one-handed. Plenty of dragonfly, but no frogs. After our lovely hot afternoon lazing by the pool, swimming in 27 degrees, we've got another thunderstorm. Although it does appear to be coming against the wind. You see that streak of lightning? It's getting closer, but so far so good. Most last night it was still thundering and lightning when we went to bed. Here's the wheelbarrow. Everything is of course now looking wet and fresh. The forecast for today and for the next 2 weeks is sunshine and no rain. Oh, that's surprising. Nearly 40 millimetres of rain. Didn't seem that heavy, but it went on all night. Oh, that doesn't look too bad. That looks fine. I think although we had a lot of rain, it was spread out over several hours, so the drains coped. There's no extra mud in the pool. That's a relief. We are at another feed grenier. This time it's supposed to be a big one. As you can hear, it's midday. Is that one a teenager, do you think? Two of the things I was most hoping to experience while we were here in the south of France is sunflowers and the sound of seagulls. Had enough. I'm out for a cycle ride. It's possibly the hottest day of the year so far, but it's just too good an opportunity to miss. There's plenty of water in the reservoirs, unlike last year. Although I noticed over there they are irrigating. water in the stream. Figs growing wild. Not ripe yet though, unfortunately, because they are lovely when they're fresh off the tree. Last year this was empty. It was a grebe. That's pretty, isn't it? I wonder if sometimes this is part of the lake when it's really, really full. I have to say, this is very hard going. I think I'm going to cut the ride short. I'm finding it very, very hard going in this heat. Last year this was pretty much bone dry. I have to say, that looks very inviting. I'm going to go and dip my head in it maybe. This is the bit that was bone dry last year and I cycled into the middle of it. This is the top of the reservoir.